There's two things that come to mind, especially when we're doing a repower in the customer's eyes. The first one is going to be cost, of course. Second one is going to be how quick can we get this machine back into the field.
If everything is okay with your equipment now, short of the engine, there's no sense in spending the 15, 20 grand on a new unit when you can repower.
Talking to one of my customers yesterday, and he was, really asking me about what's the benefit of, just repowering a machine.
Advantages of EFI engines are the new electronic throttle control, which provides you faster throttle response. Obviously, the immense fuel savings you'll see on improved fuel economy, as well as the easier starting in colder climates. We have done Vanguard repowers on almost all commercial landscape equipment, from walk-behinds to zero-turn riding mowers, and had good response on customers, both from longevity of the engine as well as the cost of the repower itself.